What's up, guys? So I got another video today for the Civic. It's been a while. I mean, I've done some things to it and nothing too much on the outside. I mean, I got new tires, not wheels yet. I'm planning on getting some soon. Probably gonna get new wheels. Sorry for all the road noise, but probably gonna get some new wheels whenever these tires are need to be replaced. So I just needed something to get on the road. So vacuumed it out about a week ago. I'm just gonna get floor mats, either that, vacuum the floor mats and all of that, the carpet and stuff. But gonna get a new radio because I'm using my old phone for music. Still not that reliable. Then I just have like a little trash bag there. Just clean it up just a little bit. Got a phone mount for it and all that, but anyways, so yeah, it's cosmetically didn't really do much, but I have something special for it today. It just came into the mail, and y'all will see that soon. So I will be right back. And here it is. So this is a air intake, and let me try to get a knife to open it. Doesn't matter what knife. Alright, so let's see here. Sounds like everything's just loose in it, but that's okay. Hopefully all the parts are there. It's just a cheap this is just a cheap Amazon intake. There's the two. I'm guessing that's going to be the filter. Some hoses. Whatever that thing is. I haven't ever done one of these before, so. Is there anything else hiding in the box? I don't think so. Alright. So, hopefully none of y'all saw my info. I don't think so. Alright, so it's just a bunch of brackets and stuff. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at this. It's not the cleanest thing in the world. Look at that, made in China. Cheap Civic calls for cheap parts. Really don't want that sticker on there. And it's gonna leave some residue, look at that. That's depressing. Why would they ever do that? Most of this video is gonna be me just trying to get the damn sticker off. Alright, well, I'll get back to you whenever all of this is unboxed. Alright, well, whatever. I scratched it up, trying to use a scour pad on it. Like I said, I'm not a total expert at this kind of stuff, but what's to add on to the cheap look of the Civic. Alright, so we have that, those, two hoses. See what this filter looks like. I'll get on this side. No, it doesn't look too bad. There's some... I didn't do a really good finish on the chrome. But like I said, it's really cheap. Alright, so that's straight out of the package. Filter itself is pretty good, actually. It's pretty solid. Smells like it's oiled already, so there's that. So we'll just put that back in the box. And this is what, $30 or $40, $39.99 on Amazon gets you. Alright, so then you have, there's some itty bitty little, so then you have where the, wow, that is bent. Look at that. Alright, so this is where you connect, whenever you take off your old airbox. This is what you connect for that tube. I don't know what that's called, technically. I'm just going to say intake tube. So, and this is supposed to be a bracket. But where does... Because this is supposed to go on something like that. Am I supposed to drill a hole into it? I hope not. And then there's this. Don't know what that is. Oh, it's rolling. Look at that. Another hose clamp. And another bracket. And some washers. And then, you know, some screws, bolts, and all that. So I'm going to put all this back in here until I'm ready for it. Oh, there's the main China sticker. Alright, pretty decent tubes actually. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead, pack all this up, and see you guys outside on the Civic. Alright, so we're here with the hood propped. Not by the prop, because that's broken half. Every car that I try to get one off of, it's broken half. So we have an old handle holding it up, but still have plenty of room. I mean, it's not going anywhere. All right, this is the old airbox. Like I seen, you're just gonna have to take a screw off right here, the hose clamp right there. Don't know what this is. So yeah, I'll just have to figure out as I go. So I'm not gonna show the whole process, guys. I'm gonna probably have to do some research, to be honest. So Alright. See you guys whenever I have this box taken off. Alright, well, I finally got it out. Anyone who's wanting to try this, these are metal. So, yeah, that's a pain in the ass. I loosened this one, which I didn't really have to, so I'm gonna go ahead and have this. Sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. I have a tripod, but I just haven't been using it. So, I'm gonna wiggle that back right there. There you go. So, you have that hose, sensor. You want to remove this sensor so you can have more access to this. So this will just come straight out. This will give you some slack. So I will see you guys whenever I'm installing it. Oh, and also make sure to have the little bag ready, because you have to take that sensor out of this hose. Where's the hole? There it is. So from that middle hole right there, and upon further investigation, I'm really glad I was doing this, because that was broke. Didn't even notice it. Alright, so I'll see you guys here in a little bit. Alright guys, so this is it. Just short ram. Probably not going to make any difference in power, but yeah, the hardest part, I think, I'm going to have to cut this. That's going to scratch that up. I don't care really at all. So that's that cold air intake, or short ram intake. So let's start her up and see how she sounds now. Y'all can find plenty of videos on how it goes on the original. So, and I do have a aftermarket exhaust, so let's see what it sounds like from in here, and then we'll go out there and see. Ooh, you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear that it's just the air, sorry. Not the best sound, you know, representation, but you know. Cool. So let's see what it sounds like from out here. Alright, let's see. You can hear it. You can hear it try to get that, you can hear it sucking that air in. Alright, so let's just go ahead and cut her off and end this video. Alright guys, so I'm gonna give y'all, sorry for the wind noise, I'm gonna try to block it off a little bit because I'm recording on a phone. Oh yeah, y'all couldn't see, how about that? So here's some pointers for y'all. This mass flow sensor, whenever you take it off the old one, don't be scared to just yank it out. Now, the plug itself, you know, you unplug normally, but the sensor is still stuck in the old air box. So go ahead and So go ahead and just yank that one out. You just have to kind of like wiggle it out. It's kind of hard to get out. And then this hose right here would not come out for me, but you just yank that one out too. If you have a 2000 Honda Civic EX, this little metal thing, I don't know why they did that, but I just didn't want to take it out right now. I'm probably going to later on here in a little bit, but see that? Where is it? Hang on. Okay. It's kind of hard to get the camera in there. Sorry, guys. Well, where is it? I just saw it. Okay, that one. See that hose right there? That I could not get off, and that hose leads to this little metal thing. And then the hose also goes up to right there. So if I could have gotten that one off, I would have replaced it with these red wires. But anyways, guys, so oh, damn, tripping over. Uncut. Anyway, guys, so thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos about this car, then like, subscribe, and comment what you think I should do next. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.